All right, welcome back. Another Sharp Does Math. We're going to do subtracting mixed numbers today, and we're going to do the simple subtraction of mixed numbers. We're not going to deal with regrouping in this one. Okay, so when we have mixed numbers, that is a whole number with a fraction. Okay, so 7 3/4. So I'm going to start with that, and I'm going to subtract 3 and 2/3. And again, you can see I lined it up vertically. Okay, there's my subtraction. Okay, it makes it easier to put my work over on the right side. Okay, so when adding and subtracting fractions, I've mentioned this before in other videos, you have to get the same denominator. Okay, and right now we have a 4 and a 3. So when I list out my multiples like 4, 8, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, they both have a 12 as a multiple. So I'm going to rewrite these fractions using 12 as the denominator. So for 2/3, I'm going to multiply the denominator by 4. There's how I get my 12. And I'm going to multiply my numerator by 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So my new fraction it went from 3 2/3 to 3 8/12. And it's the same value. We're just using different numbers in the fraction now. Here, I'm going to multiply by 3. That 4 times 3 gives me my 12. 3 times 3 gives me 9. And I'm going to bring my whole number over. And here is my new problem. Now that we have like fractions, same denominator. And then it's just really straightforward from there. Instead of adding, we're just subtracting now. So 9 minus 8 is 1/12. 7 minus 3 is 4. And there's your answer. Okay, so really important, make sure you change your fractions to have the same denominator, and then you just subtract. And again, I didn't have to borrow. We're going to get into that on another episode. I'll give you one more example here, and then that'll be it. So let's go with 6 and 5/6, and we'll subtract 2 and 1/3. Okay. Again, first thing, I don't have the same denominator, so I need to change them. I'm going to do that here. I'm going to multiply this fraction by 2, and this will change to 2. And now we're going to have 2/6. This can stay the same, 6 and 5/6. Now that we have the same denominator, we have like fractions, we can subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3/6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, and there you have your answer, 4 and 3/6. And we always look to simplify fractions. Okay, 3/6. 3 is half of 6. So we can simplify by dividing by 3 on each. And I'm going to put it down here. Our whole number will stay 4. And now it becomes 4 and 1/2. 3 divided by 3 gave us this 1. 6 divided by 3 gave us that 2. And there's your answer. Okay? So that is subtracting mixed numbers without having to borrow. All right.